why I decided to come to HipHopDon'tStop was because I wanted to progress as a dancer. It's a good place to train. If I had to recommend HipHopDon'tStop to a friend, I would just say to them, you've just got to come. Check out all the videos online, but it's got to be nothing like what it is when you actually come. Everyone's so friendly, it's such a family environment, everyone's so positive, and you just have like the best 3 to 5 days of street dance. If I had to describe HipHopDon'tStop in 3 words, it would be authentic, passionate, and amazing vibes, even though that's 2 words. My first time, I was petrified. I came on my own, but as soon as you get here, you meet new people, everyone's so friendly, and yeah, you just got to do it. Just trust me.